Hello everyone, I'm Susan Qi. Today I'm going to demo some basic ACL functions. ACL is one of the popular audit data analytics tools. Let's get started. Now I will demonstrate how to use three basic ACL functions, which are also my favorites. First analytic function is classify. Classify is a grouping function, group records based on identical values in a character or numeric field, counts the number of records in each group, and also subtotals specific numeric fields for each group. For example, I have this financial data table, and I have a country column and a product column. Two field. I want to see how much countries or what in this country field value is. And for each category, like different country, how many record. To do so, I can click Analyze, click Classify. On the pop-up window, there's a Main tab and button Classify on, and click Classify on and select the field I want classify on. So if I want to select country, I can double click this country, and the country field will go to the right-hand side selected field. Click OK. On the subtotal field, I want to summarize gross sales. And on the Output tab, I select to screen. Click OK. Now I have the country field classified on. Then I can see there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 countries, and how many record in each country, and the percentage, and also the total of gross sales. The second function is a summarize. The summarize function is similar to classify, but it includes subtotaling and multi-level grouping capabilities. Groups records based on identical values in one or more character, numeric, or datetime fields, counts the number of records in each group, and also subtotals specified numeric field or for each group. For example, if I want to calculate how much each country, and for each country for each product, and the total sales with total gross sales. To do so, I click Analyze, click Summarize. On the Main tab, I select click Summarize on. I click Country, then I click Product. You see I can select group 2 different fields together. Click OK. And I want to see gross sales. And you can leave the checkbox pre-sold checkbox checked. And if you want, you can check the average or medium mode. I pick this two and click OK. Now I have all the countries, different countries, and group by different product, how much the total gross sales, and the statistic number. Same, if I want subtotal multi-field, I can do the same thing. So click Analyze, click Summarize, and on Main tab, Summarize on country by product. By the country or product, you can change the sequence. If you want by product first and then country second, you can move the arrow button, move the field up and down. Click OK. On the subtotal field, I want subtotal gross number sales and sales. And let's have a profit too. Click OK. I have 3 subtotal fields selected. And I leave this all as it is and click OK. Before that, I check I want print to screen. Click OK. Now I have product by product in each product for each country, how much the gross sales and profit also count. This is a summarize function. The third function is duplicates. If I want to check for exact duplicates record in the population, I can follow these steps. In the financial data table, click Analyze on the top menu and click Duplicates. A window pop-up on the main tab. You can click Duplicates on any field. Normally, if I want to see if there's exactly every field together have a duplicate rows, I click Add All. All the field will select in the right-hand side selected fields and click OK. And I want to put on screen, see how many duplicate exact and click OK. I have a 0, so there's no exact duplicate record in here. And also you could check on certain field, not all field. For example, if I want to check duplicate, click Analyze on the top menu and click Duplicates. And click Duplicates on, I want country, product, segment, year. Okay, just do testing. I want to see if on this field have a duplicate and leave that pre-sort checked and output on screen. Click OK. Now I have duplicate. So click one of the highlight green color and you can see how much duplicate if same segment, same country, same product. And that's a 2 record and same year. All right, so today we're showing 3 functions. First, classify. Second, summarize. The third is duplicate. And thank you for watching.